Hey guys, I'm Victoria. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to be posting new videos each and every week to teach you how to renovate your home and do simple DIY projects on a budget, even if you're short on time, and even if you don't really have any idea what you're doing. It's okay, we all had to start somewhere. So I know that with everything that's going on right now, a lot of us are stuck working from home, and maybe we're realizing that our desk setup is less than ideal. I don't know about you guys, but I personally find that I spend a lot of time rooting around, searching for the items that I need before I can even get started. It's really less than ideal. So I thought that would be a great way to kick things off. We're gonna be doing a desk organization video, but with a twist. Yes, we're gonna try to do it for under 20 minutes and $20. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it, but we are sure as heck gonna try. So let's get started. I have this IKEA desk in my office. We've had it for about 9 years and it's a great desk. I'll link it down below. And it has really big drawers. But the problem with big drawers is that things tend to shift and slide around, and honestly guys, it's a disaster. It is not pretty. Let's roll clip. Alright, so first things first, we're going to take everything out of these drawers, and I mean everything. The best way to get started with an organization project is to completely empty out the space that you're trying to organize, and it'll also give you a great opportunity to go through your items quickly and figure out if there's anything that's to be donated, given away, sold, or simply placed in a different space. It's also a really good idea at this point to group your items together in your mind by purpose or shape or whatever makes sense to you. So for example, I'm going to be putting my pens together, elastics, binder clips, cables, all that sort of stuff. And this way we'll be able to get started with organizing. So I wanted to have some options, and I picked up bunch of plastic containers. So most of these are from the dollar store. I didn't measure my drawers out ahead of time because I figured it would be just easier and better to get a bunch of different sizes here to see what I needed and create a bunch of different divisions and sections, and then I just figured it would be a lot easier to play around with all of this and figure out what layout worked best for me. We have these triple dividers that I picked up at Walmart. They're Mainstays brand. They were definitely inexpensive and they're a great size for these drawers. I also picked up a lot of these different size dividers, again from the dollar store. So there's these itty bitty ones that I figure will be great for thumbtacks or anything small like that that I have to keep on hand. And then this is the next size and the largest size right here underneath. So they're definitely a great variety to sort of fill up the space in the desk so that nothing shifts and moves around. I also picked up these dividers from Walmart. They're also Mainstays brand, and as you can see they have a bunch of different size compartments, and I just figured that they were perfect for different odds and ends that I have to keep in my desk and finish out the drawer. I'll link them down below. And then I also picked up this bronzy sort of rose gold basket, and obviously this is too large to go inside of the drawer, but I figured it would be a great place to store my glue guns and sort of the bigger items on a shelf. Okay, so at this point we're actually just trying out different configurations until we find something that we're happy with. So just moving the different dividers around until I find a configuration that works for all the different categories of things that I need to fit inside my drawers. And once we do that, we're going to move on and start filling everything up. At this point, I'm organizing everything in the different dividers. Obviously, I'm gonna have different categories than somebody else. I do a lot of crafting, so as you can see, I have some markers, silhouette accessories, labels, glue sticks for my glue gun. At this point, I also went ahead and tackled the tangled mess that was headphones, iPhone chargers, and all the cables that were inside the desk so that they would be easy to find. So that about does it for this week's video, guys. Honestly, I'm so pleased with what we were able to accomplish for under $20 and under 20 minutes. I really hope that this video inspires you to maybe tackle your own desk space, to really make it more organized and more functional and help you accomplish your own goals so that you can sit down and get done whatever it is that you need to get done and be productive at your desk. And if you do, please sound off in the comments or send me a picture. I'd love to see how you guys are organizing your own space. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to click a thumbs up below. Click the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos from me, as well as the little bell so you can get notified when a new video comes up. I will be posting new videos each and every week. Why don't you go ahead and sound off in the comments if this video was helpful to you, and also what kind of content you'd like to see from me in the future. Bye guys, see you next week.